Hello, my dear students. Today we are going to learn a new topic, that is dry-lain concrete. Dry-lain concrete contains less amount of cement paste as compared to the conventional concrete. It is a plain cement concrete with a large ratio of aggregate to cement than the conventional concrete. Thickness of this dry-lain concrete is generally recommended as 100 mm to 150 mm. This is as per IRC SP 491998. The maximum aggregate to cement ratio is 15:1. The average compressive strength for dry-lain concrete cubes at 7 days should not be less than 10 Newton per mm square. Dry-lain concrete is generally used as a base or sub-base of a rigid pavement. So this is a figure which will show you what is the base course, what is the dry-lain base course for the rigid type of construction, rigid pavement. Okay, the cross section is shown there. Okay, this is one of the edge of a road surface in which the base dry-lain sub base is shown correctly. Procedure: before the construction of a dry-lain concrete sub base, the prepared subgrade is sprinkled with water and moisten the surface. Dry-lain concrete material is laid uniformly by a paver without any segregation. The curing of dry-lain concrete can be done by spraying the liquid curing compound, or it can be done covering the surface by the wetted gunny bags. The pavement quality concrete. Next is a pavement quality concrete. Pavement quality concrete grade of PQC is generally M40 and it is designed as per IRC 15/2002. PQC is used for the construction of concrete roads as a top layer. Generally, top layer of a highway having the thickness of 300 mm. Now, what are the materials required for PQC road? The following materials are used for the construction of PQC road: ordinary Portland cement, Portland pozzolana cement, and Portland slag cement can be used for PQC type of road construction. Then the crushed aggregates with maximum size of 32 mm can be used. This is suggested as per IS 383. Then clean coarse river sand can be used for PQC conforming to IS 383. Again, water. What should be the water requirement? Again, it is given in IS code 456/2000 required for PQC. In case of hot water concrete plant should have a arrangement of water cooling. Different types of admixture conforming to IS 6925 and IS 9103 should be used for PQC type of construction. So don't go in depth for all these types of construction. Just an overview, you should know that what are the different types and its usage, its procedure for construction you should know. For that I have tried to cover all the topics in detail here. Also you can refer Google to have more details about these topics if you want. Okay, so we shall stop here and continue in next class. Thank you. So around 6th unit also we have finished. Okay, so if you have any doubt, you are always welcome. Along with this, I have various different types of question papers with me. You can collect those question papers from me. You can take photographs of that. Okay, also I'll try to upload all those question papers on LMS system also, and you try to refer all those question papers and study in detail. Okay, so this unit is also very important and very easy to remember. In day-to-day life we see different types of construction around us, and all those topics are covered here. So try to do everything in detail. Okay, so we'll, in spite of wasting lot much time, okay, we'll stop here. Thank you very much.